everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra and today we are recreating a look. But before I show you the look that we're recreating, let me quickly introduce myself. If you are a subscriber to the channel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube and I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. If you're interested, go ahead, check below for all the details. So today we are recreating a look, and this is the look we're recreating right here. It's from Kylie Jenner. I saw it online. I thought it was very beautiful. Obviously, you could tell she's using two different tones of yellow on the image right here. And I kind of wanted to make it simple in my own take of the look on its own. So I wanted to create something very simple, especially those who are new to makeup but want to recreate something very similar like this one. Very youthful, very playful, especially for the spring and summertime. I wanted to create this look for you guys. Like I said, it's a very easy. I felt like it was a good way to kind of step my foot back into YouTube with a very simple look to follow. Like I like to do looks that are very simple and very easy for those who are scared to try makeup or who want to kind of like try little things. So this is very simple. I only use two eyeshadows and a highlighter for the inner corner. So very, like I said, it's a very simple look to follow. So I show everything that I did on my face. I show what foundation, what blush, everything you're wondering what I have on my face will be in the description box below. But like I said, it's a very short video, very quick, and it's so simple that I don't want to keep the intro too long. But if you love what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button and leave me a comment below. If you have any looks that you want me to recreate, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I will put my name right here on the screen for my Instagram handle, so you could go ahead and tag me. I could go ahead and try to recreate any looks that you guys are wondering in a simple way, a simple, easier way to follow if you're new to makeup. I would love to do that for you guys. And leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the look. And I want to say thank you so much for clicking on the video and staying to watch the tutorial. So I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.